I used to do this all the time. I would find a new indicator, maybe from a YouTube video, maybe from TradingView, add it to my chart, look at it for a few minutes and think, yeah, this actually looks pretty good. But most of the time I had no idea. Because the reality is, when you are just looking at the chart, everything can look good. You see amazing entries, clean moves, and your brain kind of fills in the gaps. So naturally, the next step is, okay, let me test this. And that's where the problem starts. Because if you want to test it properly, you either go bar by bar manually, which takes hours of your life, or you try to code it into a strategy. And if you have ever done that, you know how painful it is. You write the logic for one indicator, then you want to try another one, and you have to rewrite everything again. So over time, I realized something. The problem wasn't finding ideas, the problem was having a fast way to test them. So I started working on something that is finally completed. Let me show you. This is the ATP Signal Engine, and the idea is simple. Instead of coding a strategy from scratch, I just take whatever is already on the chart and turn it into something I can actually test. Don't believe it? Let's test it, starting with something basic. Here I have the MACD. Let's say I want to test a simple idea. When the MACD line crosses above the signal line, I go long, and when it crosses below, I go short. Usually I would have to code this, but here I just select the condition A crosses over B on long conditions and A crosses under B for shorts. Define which line is which, and that's it. Now I run it, and instantly I get all the trades on my chart and real performance data, profit, win rate, number of trades, all based on actual historical performance. And what's crazy is, something that would normally take hours or even days, done in seconds. And the part I really like is this. If I change the settings of the MACD on the chart, the results update automatically. So instead of rewriting the code, I just test variations directly, and that's just the beginning. Because I'm not limited to crossovers. I can test level conditions like RSI crossing above a specific level, or combine different types of signals depending on the indicator. If the indicator gives visual signals like buy and sell arrows, I can use those events directly, as you can see. And this is where one of the biggest advantages comes in, because this is not limited to free indicators. If the signal is visible on the chart, I can use it, which means I can take premium indicators, closed source tools, or even oscillators from other creators and actually test them. And normally that's impossible. You can look at them, you can follow them and create alerts, but you can't really validate them properly. But here I just select the signal directly from the chart, define it as an event, run it, and now I have a full backtest. Entries, exits, performance, everything. So now it doesn't matter where the indicator comes from. If I can plot it on the chart, I can test it, and that completely changes the game. Because now I'm not guessing anymore, I'm measuring. And once you have that, you can take it even further. I can add a baseline, for example a 200 EMA to filter trades. I can control the data range, trading sessions and trading days. I can define my risk per trade, use fixed pips, ATR based stop loss or position sizing with contracts. I can even use trailing stop losses and partial take profits. So instead of just testing entries, I'm testing complete strategies. And if I want to take it further, I can turn these exact signals into alerts and automate them on platforms like MetaTrader, Binance and others. And here's something important, you don't even need a paid TradingView plan for this, because you only need two scripts on the chart, the ATP Signal Engine and the indicator you want to test. So even on a free account, you can do this. And honestly, this is probably the biggest shift for me, because I would watch videos, try indicators and kind of trust what I was seeing. Now I don't have to. If I see something interesting, I plot it on the chart and test it. If it works, great. If it doesn't, I move on. For example, this is one of my best indicators, the purple cloud. If you watched my last video, you have already seen it. So if you want to test it yourself, all you have to do is add it to your chart, then come here, select the buy and sell signals, apply a simple filter like a 200 EMA, run it, and now you have actual performance data to decide if this indicator works for you or not. Not because I said it works, not because it looks good, but because you tested it. So instead of wondering if something works, now you can prove it. And once you do it, you stop wasting time on things that don't work, and you start focusing only on what actually performs. So if you have been in that position, testing ideas manually or not testing them at all, and you actually want a way to do this properly, this tool is exactly what you need. And for the first time, I'm going to make it available. If you want to learn more and get access, you will find everything in the first link in the description. And if it makes sense for you, you will know what to do. Because at the end of the day, the difference between struggling and profitable traders isn't the indicators they use, it's whether they actually know what works. And now you finally have a way to find out. Also, if you don't want to miss what I will test in the next videos with this brand new tool, make sure to subscribe. I'm ATP, stay sharp, trade smart, and I'll see you in the next one.